Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. For today's video, I will be installing a wig from this company called Gorgius Wig. I had to turn the box to the side because it's so shiny and the reflection from the lights I'm using makes it hard to see. In the box with the hair, I got a few things, including this stocking cap, this little bag that I would like to call a starter pack, and I'm gonna open it so you guys can see what's in there. First up, we have a edge brush, and this is one of my favorite edge brush to use because of the little comb on the back of it. Then these hairpins, which I never use for wigs. Also these clips, they come in handy for holding my hair back when I'm doing my makeup. And this extra strap just in case something goes wrong with the one you have. And finally, a tweezer. Now for the wig, they put it in this silk bag, which I could use to store it after I wear it and, keep it nice and clean for the next time I want to wear it. This is their lace frontal bob wig. The density is 180%. The length is 10 inches. Looks longer to me. It is pre-plucked, which is always amazing. However, it's not pre-bleached, so I'm gonna have to, work on that on my own. It has two clips in the side, one in the top and one in the back. It also has a piece of lace in the back, which I will be cutting off very soon. I'm gonna go ahead and try the wig on just to see all the things I need to do to it to slay it, because that's what I came here to do. I came to slay this wig. So because it had the strap in the back, I immediately think to myself that this wig could go without gluing on, without spraying any got to be glued, free spray on it, and I was right. So this baby can be worn as a glueless wig, so I'm gonna call it a glueless wig, even though I am going to secure it onto my head because I want it on for a few days. So far, without having done anything to it, I am really loving the wig. I don't know if it's because it's short, but something about it is giving me that vibe. But I'm gonna go ahead and do so much more to it and make it my own. First, I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation onto the stocking cap, and I'm also gonna add some onto the lace on the wig. I then put my wig on my wig block because I'm gonna flat iron it and I don't want to do it on my head. And I'm gonna use my wax stick from Edge Effects to tame the hair on the side, get rid of any flyaway hair. And then I'm gonna use my hot comb over it and just lay it down, make it so much more easy for me to manage when I'm ready to secure it onto my head. Now I'm going to use my brand new Baby Bliss flat iron that I bought on Amazon not too long ago to straighten it in sections. After I was done straightening the wig, I decided to come back on camera and show you guys a before and after look. You could see the big difference. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my wig back on and see how well my process is coming along. Now you can also see how much more natural the wig looked. At this point, I still wasn't thinking about securing it on with my got to be glue free spray, so I was thinking, let me cut the lace off and just wear it like this without any of that adhesive. I put it back on and yeah, it looks fine. It looks okay. It looks like I could wear it like that, but I wanted to do more to it, so I went ahead and secured it onto my head and added some baby hair, so that's what I'm gonna do. At this point, I still wasn't planning on securing the entire lace on. I was just gonna do the middle, but I just couldn't help myself, so I went ahead and did the entire front. Using a clip to hold the hair back like you see me doing here is definitely helpful when doing your lace wig, especially if you're very new to it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do some baby hairs on the sides. To lay my edges as usual, I'm gonna be using my BTL foam wrap lotion. As you can see, I'm not cutting my edges, but you can go ahead and cut yours if you feel like it, but usually when I do my wigs, I leave them like that. Now I'm going to tie my edges down and allow them to completely dry, and while that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. This is the finished look, guys. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I am so in love with this short bob look. I think it's so gorgeous. This is the back of it, guys. I think they really did a good job cutting it because I have worn short bob hair before and I cannot say that I love it as much as I love this one. So yeah, I think they did a really good job on it. Look at how much body it has, guys. I mean, you can see for yourself. I don't even know what to say. So I'm gonna need y'all to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think because I am so very much in love with this wig. And like I said, it's 180% density, so it is everything. And like I've mentioned before, this wig can be worn without being glued down, so it's definitely a glueless wig. So if you ever want to try a wig but you don't want to go through the hassle of doing it on, I think this wig is the perfect wig for you. As usual, I'll leave all the information on this wig down below in the description box, so definitely do check that out. And I'll also leave a discount code for you guys because I know you guys love them discount code. If you found this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!